what is differentiation and definition formulas. In this video we are going to learn the topics of definition, formulas, what are the rules of differentiation, and problems on differentiation. And what is the definition, children, of differentiation? Okay, what is differentiation? First of all, differentiation is a method used to compute the rate of change of function f of x. We are going to differentiate with respect to x. So this is the function f of x. We are going to change the function. Okay, rate of change of this rate of change of function is known as differentiation. Okay, f of x function, f of x, that is function f of x. With respect to, we have to differentiate with respect to x. Okay, this is meant by differentiation. Okay, now rules. What are the rules here? Rules are some 5 rules are there. First one, what is constant rule? Constant rule. What is this constant rule? Okay, constant rule is nothing but d by dx of, we are differentiating with respect to x of constant value, we get 0 always. This is the rule. Okay, now second is power rule. This is mainly used in many problems, so don't forget this rule, children. First of all, to going to the problems, we have to know the rules. What are the formula of that rule? Okay, power rule means d by dx of x power n is given. This is the power and this is the base. Okay, no, this can be written as n into x power n minus 1. Okay, this is the power rule. Now third one is product rule. Product rule is what? When any two functions are given, d by dx of f of x into g of x is there, then how you will get the rule? D by dx of f of x, first you have to do, we get f dash of x, we remain the g of x as silent, and now plus we have to do f of x, keeping silent we have to do the d by dx of g of x, that is g dash of x. This is the power rule. And next two rules, that are, what is coefficient rule? Coefficient means dividing the rule, dividing rule, division of two functions. They are d by dx of f of x by g of x. If given this is in the form of f of x by g of x, what we use the rule? Coefficient rule we have to use. What is that? G of x, taking to numerator, we have to do the d by dx of f of x, that is f dash of x. Now minus here f of x, keeping numerator, we have to differentiate d by dx of g dash of x, that is g of x, that is g dash of x, by denominator whole square. Okay, like this we have to do g of x into f dash of x minus f of x into g dash of x by denominator square, that is g of x whole square. Now fifth one, that is last rule, chain rule is very important. Chain rule. Chain rule is, if given, we have to use the chain rule, d by dx of f of g of x, two functions are given, then we have to differentiate f dash of x first, keeping g of x as it is. Next, what we have to do, sorry, like this way, f dash of g of x. Okay, as it is we have to write inside value, and next we have to do the g of x differentiation, that is g dash of x, like this. Okay, this way we have to do the chain rule. First we have to differentiate f of x, keeping g of x as it is, and next we have to do g of x differentiation. That's all, the rules completed. Now coming to the problems, if I am taking simple problems to understand first what are the rules used in the problems. First I am going to use this y equal to 3 power x minus 5. Y equal to 3 into x power minus 5. Differentiate. Okay. So what we have to do now? We are going to simply write the problem given y equal to 3x power minus 5. Okay, now we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Differentiate. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Okay, now write down y becomes dy by dx. D by dx of y means dy by dx I am writing, and d by dx of x 3x power minus 5, and this is in the form of what? D by dx of x power n, that is n into x power n minus 1. Okay, this is in the form of d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. That is which form? That is this one, power rule form. Okay, using power rule, this rule dy by dx of, how you will get now? Write down in rule, using rule we have to change this d by dx of 3 into x power minus 5. Okay, now constant put, before that we have to write constant outside d by dx of x power minus 5. Okay, now 3 into x power minus 5 means n value is minus 5. We have to write minus 5 into x power n minus 1 is there. So minus 5 minus 1. So what you will get? Minus 5 as it is x power minus 6. Here minus into plus, minus 3 5s are 15. X power minus 5 is the value of dy by dx. After differentiation we get the value like this. Okay, we have to differentiate first with respect to x. Comparing this with rules, we use the which rule is applied here. Okay, after seeing this which rule is there, we have to apply the rule, we have to get the solution. To get the solution we use these 5 rules: constant rule, power rule, product rule, coefficient rule, and that is last one, that is chain rule. Okay, like this we have to use the formula. Second one, that is second question is given, that is differentiate y equal to 1 by root x. Okay, now what? Y equal to 1 by root x is given. So take this, given y equal to 1 by root x. Okay, Now differentiate I am writing in shortcut, that is with respect to x. Then d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of 1 by root x. Okay, dy by dx this becomes, and d by dx of 1 by root x I am writing this as x power 1 by 2. This becomes d by dx of x power 1 by 2. I am taking to the numerator, it becomes x power minus 1 by 2. Okay, now differentiate. This is in the form of power rule. That is d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1 is the rule. So we are applying this rule. N means minus 1 by 2 here. Write down x as it is. N means minus 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 by 2 x power minus 1 minus 2 by 2. This implies minus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2. This is equal to dy by dx equal to how much? Minus 1 by 2 x power minus 3 by 2 is the solution. Okay, like this we have to do the problems based on the rules. Power rule is very important, children. So we are very using this power rule in many cases. Okay, so please remember this power rule. If needed, we have to use in problem. Okay, next third problem is given is y equal to 7x square. That is given is y equal to 7x square by under root 3 plus 5x. Okay, this is the problem. Now what we have to do in this solution? Differentiate with respect to x we are going to do. Now this becomes dy by dx equal to d by dx of 7x square by under root 3 plus 5x. This is somewhat different, children. How? This is f of x by g of x form. Since this is in quotient rule form, f of x by g of x. Okay, what it is? F of x means g of x into f dash of x minus f of x into g dash of x by g of x whole square. This is the formula. Okay, this is the quotient rule. Here I am going to apply now. This is f of x by g of x. When two functions are in division way, that is quotient rule is applied here. So f of x is equal to 7x square and g of x equal to how much? 3 under root 3 plus 5x. Now apply this dy by dx equal to this one. What is this? First we have to write this g of x under root 3 plus 5x. F dash of x means d by dx of 7x square minus what is there? F of x. F of x is 7x square. D by dx of g of x. After getting d by dx, we get g dash of x. So I am writing first d by dx of g of x, that is root 3 plus 5x by what is there? By g of x whole square, that is 3 plus 5x whole square. Okay. Now compute this all. D by u by v form means f of x by g of x form. Now now we have to simplify this. Okay, as it is we have to write this d by dx of 7x square means this is again in the power rule form. X power n means 7, we have to write constant outside. X power n means n into x power n minus 1. 2 into 2 minus 1, that is 2x. 2x we get. D by dx of x square is 2x. Okay. D by dx of x square is 2x. We have to write here 2x minus 7x square. d by dx of under root 3 plus 5x whole power 1 by 2. I am writing this. Okay, d by dx of 3 plus 5x whole power 1 by 2. Okay, root I am writing as 1 by 2. Now we have to differentiate that one. This one is I am writing as 3 plus 5x whole power 1 by 2, whole square is as it is. Now root 3 plus 5x, this is 14x. Okay, minus 7x square, minus 7x square d by dx of this one, this is n whole power 1 by 2, means this is again power rule. 1 by 2 into 3 plus 5x whole power minus 1 by 2 minus 1 into 5x, again we have to differentiate. 5x is 5. Then 3 plus 5x whole power 2 get cancelled, we get only 3 power 5, 3 plus 5x. Now 14x into root 3 plus 5x minus 7x square, we get what? 1 5 by 2. This one is what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Okay, and 5 is here, 5 by 2 get 3 plus 5x whole power minus 1 by 2 by 3 plus 5x. Now comparing this, 14x 3 plus 5x minus 7x square, we get what? 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means this one, this get downwards because negative power 3 plus 5x whole power 1 by 2 by 3 plus 5x. Now I am doing this as simplify. 14x under root 3 plus 5x minus 7 5 are 35 x square by 2 into 3 plus 5x whole power by 3 plus 5x. This is simplified. Now somewhat again we have to simplify here. This is by here. Now we are taking to this numerator, what it becomes? 28x whole power, that is 28x into 3 plus 5x whole power, that is under root. No, this is also under root, this is root, and this is also root. I am converting this 1 by 2 into root, 1 by 2 as root. Okay, so root get cancelled, whole square I am writing here. Next step I will cancel this root. Minus 35 x square by denominator is what? It getting to the denominator, come to denominator. This is in the denominator already. So 28x into 3 plus 5x. This root and square cancel. Minus 35x square by 2 into 3 plus 5x whole power 1 by 2 plus 1. This is also added. Okay, 28x means what we are getting? 2 adds are 24, 3 adds are 24, 3 2s are 6, 7 84x plus 140x square minus 35 x square. We have to subtract this x square terms, and 3 plus 5x whole power 3 by 2. Here 2 is there. Now 84x plus 105 we will get after subtraction x square terms. 2 into 3 plus 5x whole power 3 by 2. That's all, children. Taking 21x as common, we have to write 4 plus, that is here plus 140 is greater value than 35. We have to write plus value after subtraction. Now 5x as common we are writing here 21x. Okay, now denominator as it is 3 by 2 power. This is the dy by dx. We have to simplify as much as possible. We have to get the simple value after simplifying the terms of x. Differentiating x with respect to x, we are getting this value. Okay, thank you for watching, children. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos in math topics. Okay, come watch complete video, children, so that you can understand which rule is used in and how we are using the rules in problems. Okay, please do like, share and subscribe my channel, children. Thank you.